NHK World Japan, bringing Japan to the world. Our TV service is available to 300 million households worldwide, offering you the latest news every hour on the hour.
7 a.m. on Monday in Tokyo, I'm Miki Yamamoto.
With expert analysis of current events, an in-depth look at Japanese culture, food, and fascinating places off the beaten path. Our radio service brings you views and features in 17 languages. Our website features live streaming and video on demand. Some programs are available in multiple languages. You can also access our programs through our free apps. Widen your horizons. NHK World Japan.